Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Motorola Signature. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our phone. The first and the recommended method is a reset using the settings. To do it, open up the settings, then scroll down until you find System. Here it is, and down below we have the reset options. Beside the factory reset, we can also reset in here the mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, device settings, app preferences, and baseband settings. And also we can erase our eSIMs. In our case, we are interested in the last function, factory reset, erase all data. Remember that all of your data will be deleted. So if you don't want to lose everything, or actually you want to factory reset your phone, but you would like to have all of your photos, etc., I highly recommend to create a backup of your data simply. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel you can find a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. It is really easy actually. But if you want, you can watch that video. Now if you click on erase all data, your phone will be turned off. And the next thing that you have to do is to go through the setup process once again. Now, the second method is a reset using the recovery mode, but when it comes to the recovery mode method, you need to remember about one thing. If you have your screen lock set, and when you factory reset your phone through the recovery mode, during the setup process, there's a chance that your phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you are a user of this device, or you'll have a second option, and it's signing in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. Now, to perform a reset using the recovery mode, first we need to power off our device. Click power button and volume up button and click on power off. And now we need to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Just like that. Now, using volume keys, we need to find recovery. And now confirm by clicking power button. Let's wait until it shows up. Okay, now we need to hold power key and tap volume up, just like that. And now using volume key, select wipe data factory reset, confirm by clicking power key. Again, factory data reset, confirm. Now all of our data has been erased. And now select reboot system now and confirm. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.